Isa stood frozen. She was 1 year too late. But Mrs. Turner added, she left something behind. Said if you ever came back, it was yours. Lisa followed her into the cluttered living room where, inside a drawer, was a small wooden box. In it, photos, diary pages, and another letter, this one newer, dated just before her mother's death. My beautiful Lisa, I hope one day you'll forgive me for what you went through. I was trying to protect you. Your father was involved in something dark, not just controlling, but criminal. The reason he took you was because I was going to the police. He couldn't let that happen. The diary detailed how her father had ties to illegal money laundering, and how her mother had tried to expose it. But he had blackmailed her into silence, threatened Lisa's life. Lisa collapsed into the couch. Her entire childhood, her identity, was built on a lie. She wasn't unwanted. She was protected. She stayed in town for a few days, trying to process the truth. Visiting her mother's grave, she left flowers and whispered, I'm sorry too. But the story didn't end there. Back in Chicago, Lisa contacted a private investigator. Something about the money trail her mother had hinted at wasn't over, and she was right. Within weeks, the investigator found offshore accounts in her father's name. Money still moving. Someone else was involved. Someone alive. Lisa knew what she had to do. She reopened the case under a different name, carefully navigating legal channels. She was no longer just a lawyer. She was a daughter seeking justice. And then, one evening, a call. Miss Caldwell, we have a match. The secondary signer on the old accounts, it's someone you know, a name linked to your firm. Lisa's breath caught. She wasn't just fighting her father's ghost, she was fighting someone close, someone powerful. And the letter was only the beginning.